Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can withdraw money from Trade Republic. Trade Republic. What you have to do, guys, to withdraw money, just select your transfer, your wallet or cash and tap spend and select desired amount and tap next. After that, of your payment you will display it and tap send. After that, guys, confirm your order using your SM10, which will be sent to you automatically. And guys, to Trade Republic is not payment service provided, and you will work with partner for withdrawal. This is how you can do, guys. Just follow the steps: select auto transfer, wallet, cash, and select desired amount and summary of payment you will display it and confirm your order. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.